Alright guys, we are back out here. I'm going to replace these 3 sequencers. Got my drill there, should go real quick. Then we'll go inside and do the thermostat. First thing we want to do is kill our power. And get our cover opened up. Easy stuff. Alright, let's confirm that we don't have any juice here. The old one-handed YouTube style. Nothing. 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 Alright, let's get these swapped out real quick and we'll go inside and do that thermostat. Guys, I'm putting this first sequencer in, and one thing I didn't notice on my first trip was how messed up this connection is here. So we'll fix that. I got myself a spade connector and my crimpers there. And I'll double check all the rest of these. If I feel like I need to fix any, I will. But yeah, let's go ahead and get all these sequencers in. All right, guys, got the old ones here. All the new ones are in. I had to get a little creative with my wiring here because this double spade connector right there got all mangled up. So I just went ahead and wired out of these real good together. They'll be fine. But we're all good there. I'm going to put the panel on. We'll go inside. Alright, I got my PRO1 721i Wi-Fi thermostat, my drill, level, wire strippers. Got it Saturday, I can't think, and my 8-in-1 there. So let's get this thermostat on, see if this thing will work properly. Alright, it doesn't get much easier than this. All you got is common, hot, white, reversing valve, orange, compressor, and our fan. About the most basic heat pump wiring you'll have. We'll get this guy screwed to the wall, get my wires in, and see what this thing does. Alright, we're all powered up here. Let's see. Technician setup menu. Press plus and minus for 3 seconds. Alright, you can't really see that good on there. It says Tech Wi-Fi. So let's see. Configure, use the plus buttons to change settings. Lower left and right to move from one step to another. Okay. So let's go. Wi-Fi idle. Okay. Boy, these are some weird numbers. 10, 9, 16? The hell is that? Wi-Fi reset. Wi-Fi idle. FUU. To change settings. Oh man. I don't know these. Okay, let's get out and come back in. Okay, let's go back in. Okay, Tech Wi-Fi. Boy. You kidding me? Use plus or minus to change the settings, lower left and right buttons to move from one step to another. Wi-Fi reset. Oh, I'm so confused here. What the hell's going on? Wi-Fi reset. What? Okay, well, the heat went on, so all right, let's go back into it. System off. Well, I know the heat works. Okay, Tech Wi-Fi. Press and hold the Tech button for 3 seconds. What's the Tech? Oh, so I just got to hold it there. Oh wait, there we go. It's not a touch screen. There we go. Okay. Room temperature calibration. We're not changing that. Compressor delay on. Leave that on. Cool swing 0.8. I guess we'll leave that there. Heat swing. Heat pump on. Configure to operate heat pump system. System set. HCE means heat cool emergency. I don't know if you guys can see any of this or not. Here, let's go over here. So I'm changing system setting, emergency heat stages. We got 1. Dual fuel off. It's not. Blah blah blah. I don't think I have to change any of this stuff. Cooling set point limit. Blah. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it where it's at. So let's go. Let's get out of this. It should be configured right. There we go. Let's put our heat on. There we go. Hurt the fan. Let's go check our. Sorry about that. I'm not familiar with these thermostats. Some weird settings on there. Let's see if our heat pump is running in heat. I wonder if it's in its, because I heard it kick on the first time. I think it might be in its compressor protection. Let's give it a minute. Alright guys, we got our heat pump running in heat. Let's go make sure we got warm air coming out of the registers. I'm not going to gauge it up and do all that right now because I know the system operates fine. Just had a thermostat / electrical issue. I checked that all out last time I was here, so I know it's good on the refrigeration side of things. And we got nice warm air coming out of there. Let's see if the thermostat's only calling for first stage, which would just be our heat pump and not our electric backup. And it says, well, it's saying stages 1 and 2, and that's because of the difference in temp, 60 to 70 there. We don't have an outdoor sensor on this. Nor could you put one on this, I don't think. I don't think it even allows you to do that, which is fine. They've had it set up this way for years, so let's go ahead and put it in cooling. It's probably got to go through its delay. Let's bump that way down. All right. I'll be back once she fires up. Kind of funny. Look at this. It's got a tiny little. It's like a 12 by 12 return grill, and then it's got this this other little grill here. It's like a 20 by 12, I think, some weird size that they have to special order, and then another weird one there. So 3 little returns. Better than nothing. All right, let's go. Let's wait for this cooling to kick on. Looks like this one does like the Honeywells do, blinks when it's in its delay. So once that goes solid, we should have cooling. I hope so. She said the cooling wasn't working the other day. We actually had to turn on AC here. It was so warm. Let's sit and wait. People are funny. You know, they had about, I think there's about 13 registers in there, and about 7 or 8 of them are shut. So it's probably why she couldn't get the cooling to stay on the other day. I bet you it was tripping out on high head. I ran it through heating, cooling, emergency heat, and made sure everything worked. I opened up all the registers. I'm going to send her a bill, and I'm going to tell her, do not shut those registers. I don't care if somebody gets uncomfortable in their room. I don't want you to kill this compressor. I'm sure it's already got damage to it. It sounded pretty clunky. But anyway, that's it for a Saturday. I'm out of here.